Meaning of figure of speech.
Figure of speech.
Figure of speech.
Figure of speech.
Figure of speech. A figure of speech is a phrase or expression that uses words in a non-literal way in order to create a particular effect. It may make language more vivid, emotional, or imaginative. Figures of speech are often used in literature, poetry, and rhetoric to convey complex ideas or feelings in an artistic way. Examples include metaphor, simile, personification, hyperbole, and irony. By using figures of speech, writers and speakers can add depth and nuance to their writing or speaking, and engage their audience in a more memorable and impactful way.